In this video, I will take you on a step-by-step process how to deposit in Bybit using P2P trading so that you can start trading cryptocurrencies. P2P trading is a secure and easy way for users to buy and sell crypto using your local currency so you can fund your account for trading. Before you can start P2P trading, it's important to note that first you need to create an account in Bybit and complete KYC Level 1 verification. Now, if you have already created an account and is now eligible for P2P trading, here are the next steps to get you started. First, open your Bybit app and click on Buy Crypto. Next, under Choose a Payment Method, click P2P Trading. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. In this case, I am going to buy USDT for my stable coin. Choose from one of these sellers. I am going to choose a seller based on their exchange rate, the successful transactions that they have made, a good rating, limit of funds they can transfer, and their mode of payments. So I'll click this one for example. Enter amount. For trial purposes, I'll just put 100 pesos. That converts to 1.8 USDT. After I click buy, I have 15 minutes to complete the payment. Click Pay Now. I chose Gcash as my payment method, and the details of the seller appears. Her Gcash number is reflected here. If not, they will usually message it to you in the chat box. Next, I will log on my Gcash app, send payment of 100 pesos to the seller. Then click on Payment Completed, and then Confirm. There you have it. You can start trading your USDT for other cryptocurrencies.